Looking to make something easy and delicious, and of course in your own kitchen? Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with steak kabobs. So let's get started. First up, let's prepare the marinade. And now the steak. Next up, the Greek yogurt sauce. Let's build the kabobs. Set your timer for 15 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Kabobs originated in the city of Samarkand, Uzbekistan, and spread rapidly around the world. Turn the kabobs over and cook the kabobs in the oven for a final 15 minutes. Looks great right out of the oven. These kabobs are great when grilled too. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. And of course, the Greek yogurt sauce. While these steak kabobs are perfect for easy dinners or party food, these steak kabobs deliver big flavor every time. The creamy yogurt sauce takes them to the next level. Everybody at your table will absolutely love them. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a dish you can be proud to make at home. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.